Hello everyone, we are going to start a very important chapter, matrices. You can expect us show short one or two questions, and it is a very easy chapter. Okay, let's go. So I'll just go and teach you what is in your syllabus. Okay, so number A, order of a matrix. So a matrix is something which is represented in a square bracket and it has rows and columns. This is how you see rows. So now next time you go in your class in your school, don't confuse about don't get confused about rows and columns. Now imagine this is your class. These are the seats. So this will be a row. You guys always say it wrong. Like I'm sitting in this row. This is a column. This is a row. Horizontal line running from left to right. And please guys focus on this is row. Vertical line running from up to down is a column. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This matrix has two rows, 1, 2, and two columns. So this is a matrix of order 2 cross 2. Again, let's go for another example. Now let's imagine we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. This matrix has two rows and three columns. Now what will you say? Is it a matrix of order 2 cross 3 or 3 cross 2? The first number we write when somebody asks us about the order of matrix is the number of rows, and second is number of columns. Does this matrix have three rows? No. So this is the wrong interpretation. The correct interpretation would be 2 cross 3. Okay. So we are done with order of a matrix. Can you tell me the order of this matrix or this matrix? Both of this matrix. One row and four column. 1 cross 4. This matrix has three row and one column. And we have just given some name to these two matrices. It is a row matrix and it is a column matrix. This is just for your information and remember that. Also, the first matrix we drew, 1, 2, 3, 4, has had equal number of rows and columns. When we have rows is equals to columns, it is a square matrix because it forms a square. That's it. That's why the name. Now, we are done with order of matrix, what is a row matrix and what is a column matrix. Now, we go on compatibility for addition of two matrices. Let's say there's a matrix A, B, C, D, and there's a matrix P, Q, R, S, and there's a plus symbol between them. Can this matrix be added? Yes. This element gets added to this element of this matrix placed at the same position in the matrix. So it will be A plus P, B plus Q, C plus R, and D plus S. Can we add these two matrices A, B, CD plus PQ. Where will you add this? Will These matrices are not compatible for addition because their order is different. It is 2 cross 2 and it is 2 cross 1. So two matrices can only be added when their orders are same. For example, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These can be added. The orders are same and this will be added 2 plus 1, 3 plus 0, 5 plus 1. So let's add it. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 0 is 3, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 7 plus 3 is 10, 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay, we are done with how we can add the matrix. Also, addition is similar to subtraction. The rules are same. If we write 2, 4, 6, 8 minus 5, 6, 10, 11, we just do 2 minus 5, 4 minus 6, 6 minus 10, 8 minus 11. The answer would be minus 3, minus 2, minus 4 and minus 3. Okay. Now, any matrix which has only 0 in it is known as null matrix. Null means nothing. So this matrix has nothing in it. Any square matrix was something which has equal or rows is equals to columns. So any square matrix whose diagonal elements are 1 and rest of the elements 0 is known as identity matrix. And this is not the diagonal of the matrix according to the definition of mathematics. The diagonal runs this way only in mathematics. So 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. First, if somebody asks me, is this a identity matrix? I'll tell him, okay, so it is a square matrix of order 3 cross 3. So first criteria is passed, and if it has only 1 in its diagonal element, yes, 1 diagonal. So this is an identity matrix, correct? Okay. So now we will go and do multiplication, compatibility of multiplication of two matrices. And I'll tell you a very easy way out. Let's imagine there's a matrix A, okay, which is of order A into B, and there's a matrix B which is of order P into Q. When somebody, if in question they ask you that, oh, tell me if the two matrices are compatible, you just have to draw something like this. Let's say A and B, and say that if B is equals to Q, B is equals to P, then the matrix can be multiplied. Let's take some examples. Let's say it is 3 cross 2 and it is 2 cross 7. Is this the number of columns of matrix A is equals to number of rows of matrix B, then it can be multiplied. And another fun fact, the answer that will come will be of the order of the remaining numbers. So the answer of A into B will be a 3 cross 7 matrix. Means AB will be 3 rows and 7 columns. Okay, this is very interesting. Is B, which was 2 cross 7, and A, which was 3 cross 2, eligible for multiplication? No, 7 is not equal to 3. AB is not equal to BA. This is not your common maths. You'll do 2 cross 3 is equal to 3 cross 2. No, multiplication in matrices runs in a completely different way. A plus B is B plus A in matrices also, but not in multiplication. So these AB can be multiplied, but BA cannot be multiplied. Okay, are we done? Now, how do we multiply matrix? And don't worry, you don't have to do multiplication of more than 2 cross 2 matrices. Another matrices are out of syllabus. Okay, let's go 2, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 0. Now, this is 2 cross 2, this is 2 cross 2. 2 is equal to 2, and the resultant matrix would also be 2 cross 2. How do we multiply it? For first matrix, we run through rows. For second matrix, we run through columns. 2 into 1. Now, for first place, for second place, for third place, for fourth place. 2 into 1 is 2, and 7 into 3 is 21 plus 21. Again, another column. We will not leave the row of the first matrix till we are done with all the columns of the second matrix. 2 into 2 is 4, plus 7 into 0 is 0. Now we are done with all the columns of second matrix. We'll go on another row. 8 into 1 is 8, 9 into 3 is 27, 8 into 2 is 16, 9 into 0 is 0. The answer is 23, 4, 35, and 16. As simple as that. Okay. And if somebody asks you 2 is outside, or you can say any number k is outside, and there is A, B, C, D, then the answer will be KA, KB, KC, KD. Let's take an example. 3 into 1, 5, 7, 6. Then this 3 will be multiplied with each element of the matrix. 3 into 1 is 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21, 3 6 are 18. So it is called multiplication of a 2 by 2 matrix by a non-zero number. Okay, and we are done. The syllabus is done. Now practice 10 questions. Okay. So I teach very efficiently, and if you want to score very good marks in your maths before your exams, which is like 10 days now, so please follow my channel and subscribe it. Okay. Bye.